How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop for the series on maintenance for the 1997 Honda Foreman ATV. Today's maintenance is about the air cleaner. So we're starting our maintenance here on the Honda. This is the air box for the air intake to the carburetor. So I have the air filter removed. The air filter, it's a metal mesh filter with a foam pre-filter. So I washed out the foam pre-filter in gas, and I'm just waiting for that to dry, and I'll put that air filter back together and put that in here. So there's the air filter. It's just a foam. There's two different types of foam in it. Probably a coarse pore one and a more finer filter there. And that goes over this stainless steel canister. So we put this back in the canister. Sometimes this can be a challenge, especially when you get oil on your hands. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Oops, it doesn't feel right down there though. There. There's a little hole at the end of it. So that steel canister goes through the foam pre-filter, and a little threaded port comes out the end, so this bracket just threads into that. Something like that. Doesn't have to be real tight. And then there's a gear clamp, well, not a gear clamp, but a clamp that goes on it. And I like to set this up so that I can get at that screw easy from the side of the bike. So that goes on here. With a little bit of tongue wiggling, okay, and then that goes back in the bike. So let's go put her on the bike. Okay, so we take our filter, and this portion here slides into the air intake to the carburetor, and then this rubber portion goes over the horn that goes into the carburetor, and then this clamp here then clamps tight on it. And this just sits on the top of the air box. So usually it goes in pretty easy. And it did again today. Look at that. So now we take our screwdriver, tighten that up. There's not nowheres really that this can go, so that doesn't have to be so tight that it would choke a horse, but it has to be tight. And then the cover on the airbox just sits back on the top, and it's held in place with 4 little clamps. So that's it. One other thing, I want to put the seat bracket back on here. Okay, so this bracket that holds the seat, it just goes right across there. So this is metal, so it's important that we have that red rubber cap on the positive post of the battery, because you don't want anything shorting out your battery. And then these held in place with 2 10mm bolts. And then the other one goes here. Then we just snug those down. And then we can put the seat back on. So that was the check on the air filter. A pretty simple check, but important to do, so make sure you get her done. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Click like, click subscribe. Don't forget, thumbs up me too. That's always nice. And we'll talk to you.